living life with a knife in the back, without which they cannot sleep, without which they cannot think. Do not try to remove their treasure, without it they no longer feel pleasure. And that's a fact. It's a fact. People living life with a chip in the mind, which tell them exactly what to do and what exactly cannot do. Don't you try to magnetize the gland, or they'll feel from the body band. Another fact. This is also fascinating, but guess you'd fall in love with a very nice girl, very nice girl, very nice girl, very nice girl, who expects you to be perfectly in tune to live up to get her precious gift, precious gift, precious gift, precious gift. But you know, it's really a mess. So far this is the plenty powder, the song. Now we must point out the fact you love it. Don't be surprised if I find real unbearable the way you complain about what you crave so much.